Hello guys, I want to show you Belgium Standard 2014 Toyota Camry. This is car there too. Now Belgium Standard, just few months used, first body, Nigeria paint, never touch out. This car is super sharp, super neat. Come on, let me show you the interior of this car. You will love it. Come. Red color, black interior. 2014. Show them. 2014. Show the mileage of this car. You see the mileage? Showing the small reverse camera. This here. Go and show you the back interior of this car. Super sharp, super neat, super sharp, super neat. Let me this car. Come give us money for you. Sport edition, sport. Let me this one. See how Camry SE Sport edition. Original spec. You don't use her. Super neat, super sharp. Like this car. See now, silent engine, tempered engine and gear. You see huh? And the price of this car is going for just 12.5 million naira. With your 12.5 million naira, this Belgium Standard Toyota Camry 2014 model Sport Edition will be yours. Contact me now and get this baby before it gets sold. Thank you.